Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play any retro game on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. So if you use or iPhone user and you want to play some classic games, you can use this Delta Emulator. So you can go to the deltaemulatораpp.com. So this Delta Emulator is for iOS. You can download so all-in-one emulator for iOS, SNES, and Nintendo 64, Game Boy emulator, and so many more, like SNES, for example. So you can download this application from this web because this is it's free app, and this is the compatibility. iPhone require iOS 14 and later, iPad Touch, Mac, Apple Vision. No require jailbreak, of course. A language you can change, but default by English. This is the changelog. This is the update change. This one, download Delta Emulator via alternative store here. So this is emulator that exclude the game. You can download the game on another website. So you can learn first about this Delta app emulator for iOS before you use it. And there is no harm into your phone, don't worry. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.